To make music louder on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first let's open our settings. Then in the sounds and vibrations right here, we'll be able to find all of that options. So first thing is to make sure that your media volume is all the way up if you want to get the loudest option. And then next thing is to scroll down to the sound quality and effects. And right here, you can go for equalizer. And depending on whichever music you're listening to, I recommend to just go for a profile that is fitting to that music. For example, if you like bass, then you can go for a bass boost to hear that bass much better. Then there's loudness normalization, and in some cases it may help, in some cases it may make your phone actually less louder, more quiet, I should say. So you can enable or disable this option and just experiment, listen to a few songs and see if you like it, as it will normalize the sound. So some of the songs will become quiet, some of them louder. And that is basically everything.